What's up, everybody? Just wanted to share all the info so far that I can find on the Roborock self-empty bin. Looks like it's going to be a good one. Pretty excited about it. Has a lot of good things going for it. Like you can see here is a cyclone technology, which gives a better suction overall. Looks like it's going to be very easy to empty, very easy to clean, and it's also to where you can use a bag if you like bags. Personally, I like the bags better. It makes things much easier and cleaner. But you can take out the entire bagging system and clean it in your sink as you saw, and overall just going to be much easier to use. Here's just some information on the T7. A little bit about the obstacle avoidance. A couple things like pulling up to this bowl. It stops really early, so if there is cat food around the bowl, is it going to go up to the bowl and actually clean around it, or just kind of avoid it? Same with that wire. Is it just going to stop at the big part, or will it actually see the wire and not run it over and get it entangled into its brush roll? This is a cool feature. I like the fact that you can go around and spy on your pets or just go around your house and see what's going on. Hopefully the camera quality is decent. I'm pretty sure the ones that are out now, the picture quality is pretty poor. So this one's just the T7. They have a T7s coming that includes the self-empty bin. And I'm kind of thinking that might be the one that is going to come here to the US. I don't think they're going to make an S7s, but I really do think they're going to come out with something that includes the bin. That's what I'm holding out for. Hopefully this month, by the end of May or early June, they'll have it available. I'm going to order it for sure and review it on this channel. So this is just all the videos I could find that kind of show the newest technology with them, and I gotta say, I think it's gonna be the best robot vacuum on the market, period. I really do. So they're a T7s, and as you see, that includes it. And once again, this is just going over the self-empty bin where you can use the bags or no bags. And it looks like that's going to be a very big bag, so you're going to hold a ton of debris, and I'm really looking forward to that. I think it's going to be awesome. I really do think this is going to be the iRobot Roomba killers. They're not doing anything that I'm aware of. They're taking way too long to come out with a new vacuum, and they're just getting smoked by the competition. So just a little bit of info I found online. Hopefully you liked this video. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. See you guys later. Have an awesome day.